Hola, wagwan, it's nothing but a team, man. What's up, guys? I go by the name of Christopher. Thanks for tuning in. Basically showing you some brain picking stuff that you might like. So about 2 weeks ago, I decided that I'm going to invest in a tripod stand and selfie light, what you call this thing, an LED ring, as they call it. So they come in different inches. We have the 10 inch, we have the 12 inch, we have the 14 inch, and then there's also 18 inches. So basically this is, I don't even know what's in here. We're yet to unbox it. So stay tuned for some more of that. And what I have here, this probably must be the selfie ring, or not selfie ring, but the LED ring. Let's try this box. I'm gonna use a pair of scissors as I cut this open. Oh, and shout out to Takealot. They came through for me. Apparently we're supposed to be here like 3-4 days time from now, but it seems like, you know, they're always on point and making their customers very happy. So I'm happy I got mine ahead of time. So let's see. So we have tripod. It is basically called the JF3110 and it's made in China. Looks like we've got a carry bag, a young black carry bag. Looks cool. I think it's pretty portable and convenient. Basically got this thing for my GoPro, as I need to be artistic with this. I wonder, how does this thing work?
Meanwhile,
it's okay, and I think there's another lock somewhere here before. I don't know, I would say I got it for $3.99. I won't say the quality is so good because it's really brittle and quite loose. So yeah, guys, I don't know if I made the right choice, but either way it will still serve the purpose. Let's check the other box very quickly. I'm quite excited about this one. Apparently lighting is everything. Just have to get our lighting right. That's why I invested in this one. This is it's also made in China. It's a dimmable LED ring with a stand. So it's got its own stand. Let's compare these two stands. But guys, yeah, like, come on, if you have questions about these two items that I bought, please, I'd love to get some of your comments and ideas on this. So please drop your comments in the comment section below. It's like somewhere, yeah, below. And let me hear your thoughts. It seems like I may have made a mistake. We have these holes over here, or these I don't know what to call them, but supports rather. I think these supports are meant to go over there. So without further ado, let's just make these changes. What I'd advise, right, is that you start off, but it's tricky. I'd advise that you start off with these two sides first. Yes, start off with the two sides first, and then you finish off with these two sides, because these two sides ensure that the entire ring is fastened in place quite well. You know, some of the things that we get wrong. We don't read manuals before installing these things. We just try. be Superman, and sometimes they don't work out the way we want it to work. See, we don't read. We have a couple of devices for additional mounts. We have this. I'm assuming this is for like your cell phone, if you have a cell phone maybe. And this would be for your camera, if you have a camera. Now this groove over here, if you look at it, it's probably, it has a little bit of a gap in there, and that would go at the back here. So if you just slide this in there, you can fasten it in place. And this goes in here. Okay. So I'm going to switch it on. Let's just have a look at what we have. So we have a power button. How do you switch it on? Okay. I'm not getting it right.
A few moments later.
So guys, after 30 minutes of trying to figure this whole thing out, I missed an important part of this whole exercise. Under here, we have an on and off switch. So this is what makes everything happen. So 3, 2, 1. Ah, look at that. Look at moi. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? I look, what do you call it? I look like a chocolate. This looks nice, guys. Actually, this actually looks nice. I can even see it. Ooh, getting some different colors up in this. So we get an array of colors. We get, oh, is this a disco? Looks like some disco. Hey man, disco got locked down. I know, must be nice. Cause they have a house party, so like a house party. Okay, let's get back to this thing. So there's these buttons here. There's a cycle button, a hue button, color, and channel, right? So right now it's on the option color. If you press it once, it goes to hue, and I guess this is where you have this almost like purplish violet color going on. And then we have this option called circle or cycle, sorry. So I'm assuming the cycle means that it will go through a cycle of different colors. If you prefer that option, if you have a disco at home, then be sure, you know, I mean, you can just start a party right now. Let's see what the power button does. So I'm gonna reduce the power so it dims it, right? And if you increase it towards the right, it increases the light intensity. This next button is the hue color. Hue color, if I take it to the left, it becomes a little bit more warm, like a warm lighting color. And then if you take it to the right, it becomes more of a cool white color, as we all know LED colors to be. And it's quite strong, like when it's in front of you, I mean, I can't even see the camera, but I'm sure now I look like a piece of something, but we'll leave it there for now. This is the next one. It's called saturation. The lowest knob over here, it's called saturation, and I can't quite see the difference, but I think I'm enjoying it so far. I think I like more of this warm color, you know, like in between, you know. So you'd have different setups for different occasions, different situations, whether you're taking selfies or videos or you know, couch sessions or makeup tutorials or any type of videos that you want to do. It seems like there's a right setting for a particular situation. So yeah, guys, I hope you really had a good time with me. Let me just Yes. I mean, why are we depriving ourselves of nice things here now that we have it? But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you really liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and let everybody out there know that you know, we are online now and we are within. So till next time, peace.